Let's look at the trials associated with some random experiments. A coin is tossed. Roll a die and determine whether it is a 6. A fruit selected from a basket can be spoiled or not spoiled. Is a candidate selected for the MBBS course? Is the newborn child a girl? Let us now observe each experiment carefully. In the first experiment, the output can be either a head or a tail. When a die is rolled, getting a 6 can be either yes or no. In a fruit basket, the selected fruit can be either a spoiled one or a good one. A candidate can be selected for the MBBS course depending upon his or her performance in the entrance test. Thus, the answer to the question can be either yes or no. The newborn child can be either a girl or a boy. Thus, the answer to the question can be either yes or no. Observe that in each of the cases, there are only 2 possible outcomes. Let one of the outcomes be called a success. For convenience, the happening or occurrence of a trial is considered a success. Similarly, the other outcome is considered not a success or a failure. For example, in the first experiment of tossing a coin, if the occurrence of a head is considered a success, then the occurrence of a tail is a failure. If we perform this experiment any number of times, then each trial will have only 2 outcomes, success and failure. This means that these trials are independent, and hence the outcome of one trial is independent of the outcome of the others. Such independent trials having only 2 outcomes, namely success and failure, are called Bernoulli trials. In other words, the trials of a random experiment are said to be Bernoulli trials if they satisfy some conditions. The number of trials should be finite. The trials should be independent. Each trial must have exactly 2 outcomes, success and failure. The probability of success remains the same in each trial. Let's use this definition to verify whether a trial is a Bernoulli trial. Consider an experiment of throwing a fair die 10 times. Let's verify if the trials of the appearance of 2 on a die are Bernoulli trials. Let the event of getting a 2 in each trial be defined as success. Let the probability of success be P. Clearly, the successive throws are independent. Therefore, the probability of success in the first throw is 1/2. The probability of success in the second throw is also 1/2. Similarly, the probability of success remains the same for the other 8 throws. Hence, the trials of getting a 2 are Bernoulli trials.